Technology has improved, obviously every aspect of our life, and orthopedics is definitely in there. So if you start in sports medicine, for example, not too long ago, probably 20 to 25 years ago, a lot of the sports medicine procedures of repairing a rotator cuff or performing a knee surgery with meniscus repair or ACL repair were all done open. So opening the whole joint up to fix the problem. Now there's been the development of arthroscopes, and now we're able to do a vast majority of these surgeries through the scope. So very small and minimally invasive, very small incisions, and we're able to do quite a bit of work through that. And so there's different medical device companies that have developed a lot of tools that not only allow us to see very well inside joints, but then different types of devices that help us repair things in a very facile and minimally invasive way. There's also been a ton of development in terms of joint replacement with the materials of the knees or the hips that make them less likely to fail, make them last longer, make them more effective. Robotic knee surgery is definitely probably one of the more recent developments that's become really popular in the last 5 years, really, where most of the major joint replacement companies have a specific robotic element to it. It allows us to analyze a knee in surgery and map it out in real time. And then what it allows us to do is kind of plan out the whole surgery before any cut is made or anything is done. And so you have a great idea of exactly what's going to happen with different angles in your cuts. And then it helps you perform those cuts. There's all kinds of preoperative software out there. So specifically in shoulders, I use a CT scan based system where you get a CT scan of the shoulder. And then, there's a lot of mapping out of the shoulder, which again allows us to plan for the perfect type of implant, the perfect size, and kind of the perfect angles for screws and alignment. And so it allows us to go into a surgery with a ton of knowledge that really helps a lot. There's all different types of injections, and you look at PRP injections and different non-operative type treatment modalities that have all really advanced orthopedics.